Yeah, 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 yeah. I hope you're proud of me, dude I grew to be. Ingenuity influenced by your eulogy. Going through memories like they were movie scenes. I know I've been to shit, all these people fooling me. I admit I guess I'm fooling myself too. There's just a bunch of shit I wish I could tell you, but this life moves fast. I never knew that yours wouldn't have lasted. The dirt hitting your casket like raindrops. I swear I'll let you know when the pain stops. For now I need to run to any place that the train stops. And everybody wanna talk to me about some business shit. Never really listening, couldn't get real interested. My days get darker so the haze gets sparked up. All this hate sound the same when my name get brought up. You had a girl, I kinda wish you knocked her up, so I could meet your son and talk you up. I remember when we were just kids. We knew nothing at all. We would talk about life we lived in West Virginia. Lost somewhere out in West Virginia. It's a dark science when your friends start dying. Like how could he go? He was part lion. Life goes on, the tears are